Good to see you. Welcome back. Today it's very special to me because my best friend, one of my bestest friends in the whole wide world for the longest time, just finished supercharging his truck. Today we're gonna go take a little quick sneak peek and a look around of his truck. Maybe he'll give you some tips and tricks on how to do it. I wish we got to vlog it, the install, but it was my bad. My car was, as you all know, taking a shit on me, so I had to try and figure that out, and he figured his car out within like 3 or 4 days. So let's go check out brother Logan. I think all he has to do is his fuel pump, and we'll show you how to do that. Guess who's supercharged?
Not me.
Oh. Whoa.
I'm gonna take my bumper off too.
Got the pump. Intercooler. Yep.
Was
Yeah.
I took that off. So I replaced the old intake manifold and put this Magnuson Supercharger over here. But first, I had to disconnect everything, the intake.
Place the intake, take off the manifold.
I had to change my fuel injectors to the new ones, so you can tell they're orange now. They used to be blue. I had to put in new spark plugs, and then this tube back here I had to disconnect from the wires where it was connected so it could give me clearance for the supercharger. And then I had to take off my clutch fan and this thing so I get down to the pulleys. I had to take off 2 pulleys down here. And I had to save the stock pulley but add on the supercharger pulley to it for 2 of them so I could run this belt. I put those back on impact gun that I was able to borrow from my cousin. Thank you. And then once I did that, I was able to put this guy on, and then I had to put on this little, I guess, pulley setup and the tensioner down there. I don't know if you can see it.
How convenient that the pulley setup is green too.
Yeah, that's a nice touch. And then once I put that in, I had to mount my intercooler, which is here. So I had to mount the intercooler in here. I had to kind of extend the horn. As you can tell, there's washers right here. Extend it out for clearance. And then I had to cut this little hood cover thingy so it had clearance for the bracket for the intercooler and the pump down there. I mounted the pump down there, ran tubing all the way to the intercooler reservoir over here and to the supercharger over here. And then
the tubing came or with it?
The tubing came with it. I just had to cut it to certain lengths.
Nice.
And
well,
then
you made it pretty clean. You just have to like make the wires cleaner over there.
Yeah, I didn't really fully clean it up yet.
Yeah, it was like, this is fresh, boys. This is fresh in there. So
and if you do this, remember, you need 3 full bottles of radiator fluid. I had 2 and that wasn't enough.
So even Logan said he hasn't opened this thing up yet. Slow down. Holy fuck, this thing is way faster. Holy shit. Holy shit, that's way fast. Way faster than what it was before.
And it can still be faster.
He still has to tune this thing. That was only like 5 pounds, he said. We have to take this to the freeway. That was too nuts for that street. Holy shit. Man, I really wish we got to do this install video for you guys, but a lot of shit was coming up from my side, so my bad. But this guy got his supercharger in
4 days.
In 4 days.
With work.
This is gonna be the first time he opens it up.
Maybe. We'll see.
That was scary. So we're gonna go take it on the freeway.
A hard, push, man.
It was like, it wasn't a heavy boost, it was a subtle boost, but I felt it once it hit. I was like, on a small narrow street, that's not, I don't know, with a bunch of...
Yeah, no, that's why I was trying to stop.
So we're gonna go take it to the freeway. We're gonna go hit the freeway. Here we go, first real pull. does it feel to be somewhat
slow.
boosted?
It's too slow. I like that instant boost better than the turbo lag.
Oh, well, once it's fucking tuned.
And a smaller pulley.
Hey.
And a better exhaust.
It's gonna be major. Alright, things you're gonna need for the install.
Okay, you're gonna need to have a 8mm socket, 10, 12, 14, a 22 and a 24. The 22 is for the stock crankshaft bolt that you gotta take off with the 1/2" impact gun. The 24 is for the new one that comes with the supercharger. And the 8, 10, 12 is all for certain bits and pieces of the supercharger. And then you're gonna need a 8mm Allen wrench socket for the stock intake manifold to take that off. And then you need breaker bars, a torque wrench that goes from 4 pounds to roughly 44 pounds, because most of it is all in like the 9 to 20 pound range, so you need a digital one to help. That's about it. Maybe channel locks and needle nose pliers.
And you can get all of that at your local auto parts store.
O'Reilly's. Make sure you get everything one time instead of 4 times.
We go to O'Reilly's like every day, 4 times a day.
Yep, for multiple things, one thing at a time, you know.
And it's per car, so 4 things for his, 4 things for mine, 4 things for Micah's.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
We live there.
They know it's my name already.
Traffic.
Oh, it's got a cat.
Okay, we are on the beautiful
The green side.
green side of the
That
island.
side.
The east side. So we're
Where it
at
is.
Logan's house. Location disclosed. And yeah, he supercharged his truck. 2015 Xrunner. So today we're gonna do.
Fuel pump. So I gotta take my whole bed off.
That's the easiest way. Because last time we did it for Gerald's truck, me and Micah. If you don't remember Gerald, go check out his memorial cruise. Rest in peace, Gerald. Love you, bro. Last time me and Micah did it, Micah just crammed underneath. I don't know. Oh! I don't know who that was. Micah just crawled underneath and got into the fuel pump that way. In between the trans and drive shaft, all kinds of shit.
And then I gotta take off my tail lights. Could you actually do that? Could you help grab a 10?
I'm gonna take these out.
No, leave that last.
But I wanna take those out now.
I don't give a shit what you want.
Finding a 10. My worst enemy.
No, your worst enemy is fucking battery.
My worst enemy is cars in general. I should find another thing. I should find another hobby. I don't know, Logan. Been hitting a lot of 11s and 12s.
For the bullet.
What bullet? Oh, I know what you mean by bullet. Alright, so to get the bed off, you gotta get all the wires disconnected. So turn off your battery first. Take off the tail lights. Pump, the gas pump. There's a bolt on this side.
You wanna take care of the battery?
No.
I trust you.
Bro. Super Virgin. Automatic. This is Scotty's car.
No, that's
He's got a lot of plans for this. Secret motor coming in this thing you don't know yet. Follow him.
This guy off. It said that.
Here we go.
Drifting is dumb.
Yeah, drifting is for dummies.
Drifting is stupid.
Big pliers.
I'm not ordering the instructions.
I didn't really say anything.
Just says.
Ooh, it's cold.
I only get quarter tank, he said.
Maybe like 3/8.
I don't want to like.
So we don't have any instructions. And the fuel pump he got, there's no install videos or anything like that online. So we're just gonna wing it. Transferring all of this onto that. Finished jerry rigging the fuel pump. About ready to go back in.
Let's get in the hammer.
It's all back. Bango, bed back on. Fuel pump in. Truck is running. Gonna put everything back together and do a little
That gas in the eye.
test drive for you guys. So this is Scott's big baby. He's waiting to throw in his Virgin of a 14. Couple more things and this thing will be right in there. fun.
G30.
Alright, that was it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry we didn't get to give you a full-on review of this guy's truck. We will do that another time. But how you feel about your truck, Logan?
I love her. She's nice and fast now.
Got a lot more to do to that truck, so stay tuned.
Yeah. I need tires, alignment, new clutch, exhaust, smaller pulley, a better tune. I need this and this and that.
Yep.
I got a lot of stuff.
Build has just begun.
Long, slow build.
Yep. But if you guys have any questions on this, be sure to ask this guy. His Instagram will be right here. He'll be happy to answer any questions if he knows them. And if he doesn't, he and I will point you to someone who does. Alright? So.
Oh yeah. And if you're looking into doing a supercharger, the booklet with the instruction manual is pretty simple and easy to use.
Yep. That's what he used. He got it done in 4 by himself.
But I had worked in a day, so I only had like 3 hours now.
But he did it. Now he just has to tune it and
do everything else to it.
Yep. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for checking this out. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Schultz. Alright fam, moment of truth. This 240 might be starting. So Micah came by, did a quick check of all the wiring, made sure it's all okay. He caught that we're missing a clamp, so we almost started it without this and all of that would have been fucked. So just topped her off with oil. I'm gonna put that clamp on. Cross your fingers for the startup. Been a whole 2 months, man, so.
When you're ready. I hear it priming.